Hey guys, I'm Chase Brogan. Today in this video we are jumping into the Ecovacs DEEBOT X12 OmniCyclone. This is Ecovacs' latest flagship robotic vacuum, and this thing is built to solve one of the biggest problems robot vacuums still struggle with to this day: stubborn stains. I'm talking dried coffee, sauce, grease, the kind of mess that most robot mops don't actually clean, they just smear around. But this one does something completely different, and honestly it's the main reason this stands out. So in this video we're going to put the X12 OmniCyclone through some real tests around my house. I'm talking spills, pet hair, edges, carpets, everything, to see if that flagship performance actually holds up. Now if you're used to robot vacuums before, you already know the deal. They're great for maintenance cleaning, dust, crumbs, little debris, but when it comes to actual messes, especially sticky or dried spills, that's where they really fall apart. And the reason is pretty simple. Most robot mops don't actually treat the mess, they just try to scrub it. And that's exactly what the X12 does differently, and where the Focus Jet system comes into play. So let's get right into it, because this is the most important part of the entire robot. I set up this test right here with dried sauce and coffee, something that would normally take multiple passes or manual cleaning to get rid of. Now watch closely what happens when the X12 rolls up. Before the roller even touches the stain, it sprays it down. That's the Focus Jet system. And this isn't just a light mist. It's a 46,000 PA 32-way pressurized spray designed to actually break down the stain before cleaning even starts. So instead of trying to scrub something that's actually dried and stuck to the floor, it first softens it. Then immediately after, the 10.6-inch ultra-long Osmo roller comes in and removes it. And this is where everything comes together, because now you're not just scrubbing harder, you're cleaning smarter. You're breaking the stain down first and then removing it. And here's the part that really impressed me. This roller isn't just spinning, it's being washed in real time while it's cleaning. So while it's picking up dirty water and residue, it's constantly being rinsed with clean water, which means you're not spreading dirty water across your floors, which is exactly what a lot of robot mops end up doing. And in a lot of cases like this one, it can remove that stain in a single pass. That's the big difference here. Not just cleaning, but actually removing the mess properly. And after testing this in multiple spots, kitchen, dining area, entryway, the Focus Jet plus roller combo consistently made the biggest difference, especially on sticky, stubborn messes. This is the first time I've used a robot vacuum where I actually trust it with real spills, not just light cleaning. And that's really what makes this feel like a flagship product. Now moving on from that, another area where robot vacuums usually fall short is the edges. You almost always get a dust line along baseboards and cabinets. But here the TrueEdge 3.0 allows the roller to extend up to 1.5 centimeters beyond the body to help eliminate dust lines along the walls and baseboards. Instead of stopping short, it reaches out and cleans right along the wall. And you can actually see the difference. It's not leaving anything behind at all. Now let's talk about the vacuum's performance, because this isn't just about mopping at the end of the day. This vacuum offers blast high airflow suction plus zero tangle 4.0, so to test this out, I threw down a mix of crumbs, dirt, and pet hair across both hard floors and my carpet. And right away you can see how strong the airflow is. It's not just about suction, it's about how efficiently it actually picks everything up. And one of the biggest things I look for, especially with pets, is hair, because that's usually where things get annoying really fast. Hair tends to wrap around brushes and ends up clogging things up. Constant maintenance is required. But with this right here, everything is designed to direct hair straight into the suction path. So after running it, I checked the brush, and there was basically nothing tangled at all. That's a huge win, especially in my house. Now another thing we have to talk about is the base station, because this is where the day-to-day experience really matters. And this is another area where the X12 stands out most. The X12 uses a completely bagless system, so instead of buying replacement dust bags, everything is separated using a cyclone system and collected into a reusable bin. That means less maintenance and less ongoing costs. But beyond that, this thing is doing everything automatically. It's washing the roller, it's separating dirty and clean water, and it's drying everything with hot air. So you're not dealing with wet, dirty mop pads sitting around. It handles everything automatically. Now for larger homes, battery and efficiency matters a whole lot. And what I really like here is how well it manages that. While it's back at the station washing the mop, it also starts charging at the exact same time. Power Boost fast charging can restore up to 13% battery in just 3 minutes, helping reduce interruptions during larger cleaning jobs. So instead of long interruptions, it tops up and gets right back to cleaning. It also adjusts how it uses power based on your home and cleaning mode, so it can actually handle full home cleaning without constantly having to stop. Another thing I noticed after using this for a bit is just how easy it is to use. You've got the app for full control, rooms, schedules, mapping, but you can also use voice commands. And in order to enable that, all you have to say is, "Okay, Eco,
I'm here.
clean room 7.
DEEBOT is refilling water for the mop now. Okay, I'm going.
And off it goes. It navigates around obstacles like cables, furniture, toys, even kids and pets, and it handles everything on its own. And for how powerful this is, it actually is pretty quiet. You can have it running in the background while you're still working, watching TV, or just relaxing, and it's not distracting or annoying. Now, if you've got a mixture of different flooring in your house like I do, this handles that perfectly. When it detects carpet, the roller lifts automatically, so you're not dragging moisture onto rugs. It vacuums carpets first, then mops hard floors. Everything stays clean without overlap. So after using this product in real-world situations, here's the bottom line. First off, the Focus Jet system is really what makes this stand out most to me, because instead of trying to scrub messes away, it actually breaks them down first, and that changes everything. This is also one of the first robot vacuums that I've used that actually feels like it can handle just about any mess that I throw at it, not just maintaining regular floors. Now there's actually two different versions of this. There's this one, the X12 OmniCyclone, which uses the bagless system, which keeps maintenance lower long term. There's also the X12 Pro Omni, which uses a more traditional dust bag setup. So depending on your personal preference, you've definitely got options. Now I'll provide links to both of these in the description of this video, so click over, get some additional information. But overall, this is one of the biggest leaps forward I've seen in robotic vacuums in a very long time, mainly because it finally solves that one problem most of them still struggle with, actually cleaning real messes. So click those links, guys, learn a little bit more about what this has to offer. On your way out, please give me a thumbs up on the video, click subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you guys on the next one.